Direct Corporate Access. Direct Corporate Access, DCA is part of the Faster Payments Service which provides a same-day clearing payment service to UK member banks. Direct Corporate Access, DCA will provide banks' business customers with direct access to the Faster Payments Service, FPS, clearing service in a very similar way that Bacstel-IP provides access to BACS. Direct Corporate Access only enables submission of files of payments, however as the central FPS processes payments individually, Vocalink the operators of DCA will split the files into individual instructions for processing through FPS. It was developed by BACS on behalf of the FPS member banks and the infrastructure went live in March 2009. Barclays was the first bank live for customer sponsorship in August 2009. Albany Software was the first solution supplier to successfully process a payment through the Faster Payments Service via DCA using Albany-IP on Wednesday, July 22, 2009. Key features. Secure IP. Secure IP is a clone of the existing Bacstel-IP channel used for BACS. Files of payments are secured using a smart card or hardware security module, HSM. Files of payments submitted by Secure IP will be disaggregated by Vocalink, the operators of DCA and submitted into the Faster Payments Service. Disaggregation and acceptance may take up to 30 minutes and beneficiaries will receive access to the funds within 2 hours of acceptance. The software used to access Secure IP must be approved. This is an extension to the existing BACS-approved software service, BASS. In March 2009 Albany Software and Bottomline Technologies received approved status for their first DCA-capable products. They were joined in May 2009 by Baer & McCann. In 2010 they were joined by Direct Debit Limited, now part of Bottomline, and Experian. In 2011 they were joined by Funtech. Timescales. DCA payments are processed by the sponsoring bank according to their service level agreements. For Barclays this is currently a maximum of 30 minutes before the payment is sent to the beneficiary bank. Beneficiary banks which are members of FPS must apply the funds to the beneficiary account within 2 hours, although in most cases it is done immediately. Bureaus. Bureau organizations can submit files of payments on behalf of other registered service users of Direct Corporate Access. The bureau needs to be sponsored by a DCA-enabled bank, initially only Barclays, and to use a bureau DCA version of the approved BACS-approved software service, BASS, software. The bureau's sponsor bank issues PKI certificates for authorizing files in the form of a smart card or hardware security module, HSM. The same PKI certificates can be used to authorize BACS file submissions via Bacstel-IP. File submissions can only be made on behalf service of users of a DCA-enabled bank, initially only Barclays. Weaknesses. Alternative products. Notes. External links.